Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to weigh your food on a food scale and how to input it into MyFitnessPal. This is one of my regular meals, which is simply fat-free Greek yogurt, frozen blueberries, and a little bit of sucralose or Splenda to sweeten it up. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I get a lot of questions about how to get lean or how to stay lean, and one of my methods is to weigh my food and count my calories. This isn't necessary for everyone, but I know that this works for me and for the people that I've trained because it's quantifiable, it's measurable, and it lets me know how much I'm eating and how much I'm consuming, and I can compare it to how much I'm burning. So as you can see here, I'm using a food scale to measure out how much Greek yogurt that I'm eating. I'll get about 200 grams here. After that, I'm going to open up the MyFitnessPal app, show you how to scan the food item, the barcode, and then input how much that you're eating in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Greek yogurt tub and open it up. On the top right, there is the scanner, and then I will scan the barcode. It will show me what it has for a serving size, but I'm not eating a whole serving size. I think I'm eating more than a serving size. So I'm going to change the unit of measure to grams, and then I'll change the number of servings to 200. So that's 200 grams, 200 of 1 gram. Next, I am going to measure out the sucralose, or the Splenda. Typically I don't do this, but I just wanted to show you again how to scan an item, input into MyFitnessPal, and yeah, just have it be in your food diary. I think a food diary is one of the most important things that any dieter needs, regardless of if you are using a food scale and counting all your calories and macros, or if you just need to know how much you're eating, and you're not counting your calories so that you can just do some portion control. But Splenda is typically 0 calories unless you're using like a ton of it. And if you use a ton of it, then your food is going to be way too sweet. But yeah, so here I am scanning the sucralose, opening up the app, letting it process. Again, I had to do this at 2 different times because I figured out that I had not recorded my screen, and I thought that it would be very helpful for you to see it. So here you can see I'm just mixing in the sucralose, because if I didn't do that before I add the blueberries, then it kind of gets funky in flavor. The sweetness kind of coats the blueberries instead, and I want it to kind of mix within the bitterness of the Greek yogurt. The next portion of this is the blueberries. And so I'm just going to pour that in. You start to get the hang of how much of a portion works for you as you continue to gain experience weighing your food and inputting into MyFitnessPal. You'll notice that when you look at the MyFitnessPal screen, it shows foods that I've recently eaten. So I don't always have to scan the food again. I can just look it up in the app and it'll be like, oh, there, you ate this before and you ate it in this amount. You can quickly add it, or you can add a different amount. So I used 37 grams of blueberries, as you'll see that I'll scan here, even though they say that 1 serving is 140 grams. So you don't always have to go on the serving size recommended by the company that you bought the food from. That's just their recommendation of what they think a serving is. I think 140 grams of blueberries is too many blueberries for my Greek yogurt. One little tip is that, let's say you had blueberries and you bought them from a farmer's market, but they don't have the label on the box that you got it from. You can simply always just use the search function in MyFitnessPal as well, and just look up blueberries and see what the closest match is for that, and then input that into MyFitnessPal as well too. But yeah, this was a short tutorial on how to weigh your food and put it into MyFitnessPal. So I hope it helped you out, and I'm gonna eat this now. Ow. All right, so one last thing before I let you go. I know that weighing food and keeping track in a food diary can be difficult. So if you have additional questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below or send me a direct message, and I'll do my best to answer them. Maybe I'll put it in another video, because if you have a question about it, it's most likely that somebody else has a question about it too. So I can help a lot of people if you have a question that needs answering. Yeah, I'm just here to help. All right, and also, these videos, they do take me a long time to make, so I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also share it with other people as well too. It really helps me out, keeps me motivated to make these videos, and yeah, I'm having fun doing it. I'll be starting my internship soon, so hopefully I can keep up. Yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.